When it comes to sales and marketing automation, choosing the right CRM can make all the difference. Teamgate and EngageBay are two popular choices, but which one is the best? Well, that's exactly what we're going to dive into in this video. Stick around till the end because I'll be recommending a better alternative you might want to consider. Let's start with Teamgate. It's a CRM that's all about simplifying the sales process. It offers pipeline management, lead tracking, and email marketing all in one place. For small to mid-sized businesses, it can be a solid option. The interface is clean, which makes navigation pretty easy. However, when you dive deeper into its features, there's a bit of a learning curve. Some users complain about the complexity of certain automation features. If you're looking for advanced marketing tools, you might find it lacking compared to competitors. Next thing to consider, pricing. Teamgate's pricing is relatively affordable for the core features, but when you start adding more advanced features or integrations, the price can escalate quickly. It's a good option for startups, but larger companies might want to be cautious about hidden costs as you scale up. Now, let's move on to EngageBay. EngageBay prides itself on being an all-in-one CRM solution that combines sales automation, marketing automation, and customer support into one platform. It's definitely more feature-rich compared to Teamgate, offering tools like social media management, landing page creation, and even live chat. EngageBay makes it easier to create detailed workflows and automated emails, which is fantastic for marketing teams. However, the fourth thing to consider here is the user experience. While EngageBay has a lot to offer, it can feel a bit overwhelming at first. The sheer number of features can make onboarding a little tricky for users who are just starting with CRM software. And although it's priced competitively, there are still a few limitations with certain integrations and reporting features that can be a deal breaker for some. So, where do they stand compared to each other? Well, Teamgate is great for teams looking for straightforward sales management with some basic marketing capabilities. If you're after simplicity and a no-fuss interface, Teamgate could be a good choice. However, if you're looking for something more robust, especially when it comes to marketing automation, EngageBay offers a more comprehensive toolset, but at the cost of a steeper learning curve. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Both of these tools have their strengths, but after trying them both out myself, I'd recommend a better alternative for those really aiming to take their sales and marketing automation to the next level. It's easy to use, more intuitive, and offers a broader range of powerful features for both small and large teams. The best part? You can try it out for free, and the link in the description will give you exclusive access to the best trial offer for my viewers. In conclusion, while both Teamgate and EngageBay are solid CRMs with their own merits, for those who want a more seamless experience with robust features that are easier to navigate, I highly recommend checking out the link in the description to take advantage of the free trial. Trust me, you won't regret it.